Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you about the comments and this discussion tab. So let's just go ahead and let's work with the comments tab. So first of all, I want to go to the all post, and let's quickly go ahead and add a comment on any post. Let's suppose that this is the guy and he's posted, and a guy just comes over to our website in a new tab. Okay, he is like a new person and he is not logged into our website. Okay, and he wants to post. So you can see it says leave a reply. Okay, your email address will not be published. Required fields are marked as this. So let's suppose that he likes it so much. He's the hello world, and he says, ha ha ha, this is so funny. Okay, so he just added, and then you want to add his name. So his name is going to be John Doe. Okay, and his email will be email. Just look at this. How can this WordPress make this mistake? Okay, leave it. So this email will be okay. I think this is I, but this is looking like L here. Okay, I'm sorry. So now I'm gonna add his email, and that is going to be like info@example.com. So you can add any email right here. Okay, and then his website. So he don't have any website, and this is not required field as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit post comment, and that's all. Now here you can see it says the comment is awaiting moderation. Okay, let's just go ahead and let's quickly view our web page, and let's go to our dashboard. So in here, when I go here, it says the comment. Okay, and here this is also red here. So it says from John Doe on Hello World. This is pending, and this is coming in the home section, and it says haha, this is so funny. I can approve this comment. Okay, I can just reply to this comment, and I can edit, or I can even spam this guy. Okay, and I can even trash this comment. So let's just go ahead and let's approve this comment, and let's reply to it. Okay, so I'm the admin, and I want to reply. What is so funny? Okay, and I'm gonna just add the question mark, and let's add the reply sign. So you can see I am the author of this post, and I have replied to him that what is so funny about this, man? Why are you just laughing? Okay, and the guy will come here. He will get an email basically. Okay, and here we go down, and here you can see it says what is so funny. So two replies. So I'm just replying to this. So this is how it is. So the guy will just reply to it, and he will just say, I don't know. Okay, and then I just come here and I just refresh it. You will see that now my comment is not held for moderation. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Now you can see that I have already posted a comment. That is why my comment is not held for the moderation. So now here in the comments area, I can work with the all of the comments that are posted. So here the John Doe has posted like this. I can even unapprove his comment, and his comment will be held for moderation. I can even edit his comment. Okay, and I can even just go ahead and I can trash his comment. Like if I don't like his comment, and I'm like, okay, I don't like his, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit trash, and that's all. His comment is now added into the trash, and his comment must be deleted. If I just come here and I just go ahead and I just refresh it. Okay, let's go down, let's go down, let's go down, and there you go. You can see that the comment has been deleted. So this is how everything works. You can see that WordPress is a best content management system, and how everything is done with the WordPress. Okay, so you can see how great it is. Now you guys already know about these, and about these, how to edit it, how to just spam it, how to trash it, and how to do work with it. But now we will learn about the settings of that. So let's just go ahead and let's just go to the discussion settings, and let's just work with it. Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video, we'll be working up with this discussion settings. Okay, so now you can see it says attempt to notify any blogs linked to the article. Okay, this is not much necessary, but what it will do is that when you will add a link of any other blog to your post, then that post will notify that other blog that you have been mentioned in that iTunes post. So this is like the mentioning someone on the Facebook, like when you put a status. Okay, like if I just want to put a status on my Facebook, like I want to put a status and I just add this and I want to mention someone. So if I want to mention this right here, and I just add it, and I just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit post. So when I just posted, this guy or girl will be notified. So this is how it works, guys. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's just leave this. So this is how that pingback works. Okay, and allow link notifications from other blogs to new articles. Allow people to post comments on new articles. Okay, this is like these settings may be hidden for individual articles. Like allow people to post comments on new articles. This is very important. Make sure that this is checked. Like if anyone wants to add a comment, then this must be checked so that the comments are turned on. Okay, and then we have the comment other settings. Like it should be like comment author must fill out name and email. This is what like we checked it. Okay, if I just go ahead and I just close this. Okay, and then I just go ahead and I just hit like users must be registered and logged in to comment, and I just go ahead and I just hit save changes. Okay, and then I'm just clicking here. When a guy will come here to my website, okay, I just open this up in a new tab, which is my private window, and then he is going to the blog page. Okay, like this is the blog, and he just come here, he just open up this post, and let's suppose that he want to add this thing. So it says you must be logged in to post a comment. So we have just selected that thing that users must be registered and logged in to post a comment. So this is how it works. Okay, so I would recommend you to uncheck this, because why you want the users to be registered and then to post comment. Okay, so then we have automatically close comments on articles older than 14 days. I hope that this explains you what it is. Like if an article is older than 14 days, like you can see this was posted on January 12th. If I just go ahead and I just edit this article to be like it was posted like so many days before, I can change that. I can change it to be like published on, and I'm gonna change it to be like it was published a year ago. So I'm changing it to be like it was published on 2017. And then I just go ahead and I open this up. Then you will see that I will not be able to reply to it. I can reply to it because I am the administrator. Okay, but okay, this is not checked as well. Let's just close it. Automatically close comments on articles older than 14 days. So let's just check it, and let's just go ahead and let's refresh. I think I will also not have the access to reply. Okay, you can see it says comments are closed. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Now we have the enabled threaded comments, like nested comments. So what it is, like people can just reply to it, and it will be like the main comment sub. So it can go like more than 5, not beyond that. So this is how it works. Okay, if I just go ahead and I just uncheck this and I just go ahead and I just save it, then you will see that it will be not like that nested threaded, and this is picture is so big, and this is like this is not the reply, this is another comment. Okay, so I would recommend you to check this, because this is important. And then we have break comment into pages with 50 top level. So this means like top 50 will come on top, and these are the settings here. So then we have email me whenever anyone posts a comment. A comment is held for moderation. So you guys already know that what is a moderation. Like if someone adds a comment, and then it will be held for moderation, that I have to approve that, whether to approve that comment or not. So that is called the moderation. So I would recommend you to uncheck this and check this, because if a comment is held for moderation, you should approve that. And then we have before a comment appears, comment must be manually approved. Comment author must have a previously approved comment. So this is obviously checked. Like if a new author is to our website and he's posting something, then his comment must be previously approved, so that we know, so that this blog know that that guy is authentic and he posts the comments relevant to the stuff that is above the post. Okay, so this is like that. Okay, and then we have the next thing, and that is comment moderation. Hold the comment in queue if it contains 2 or more links. So it can be like if that guy is promoting other content, like if that has one single link and he's promoting other content, then we want to hold that comment for our queue, so that we should manually approve that. When a comment contains any of these words, name, URL, or IP address, it will be held in the moderation queue. So you can be like one word or IP address per line. So if anyone is abusing something, like he just add hell or like suck or something like that. So if someone is using abusive word, then we will just make it into the moderation, or we can just directly blacklist them. When a comment contains any of these words, okay, it will be automatically put in the trash. So if you just add it to be like porn or like pornography or something like that, so it is just like it will match the inside word. So press will match wordpress. So porn, like pornography, will also be banned by this porn. So this is how it works. Okay, and then we have the show avatars. This is important, so you can show the avatar if you want to. And then let's go ahead and let's hit save changes. So now we're totally done with the discussion tab. Okay, if there are still confusions, then do not worry, guys. I'm telling you once again, do not worry, because when we will be working up with the professional blogs, you will understand it much better. Okay, so this is just for the overview purposes, like how to build a basic website and how to build an amazing website and something like that. And I can see that we are totally done with these settings and everything. And now in the next video, I'll show you what are the customization, how to do that, and how to work with it. And then we are going to be working up with a theme, that what are the themes and what to do with that. And then we're going to be working up with the plugins. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.